Hello kids, good morning. Today we are going to learn about subject of general awareness. Okay. Now today I am teach you types of seasons. Type of seasons. Okay. Now look at here. There are three seasons. Okay. Summer season, winter season and monsoon season. Summer season, winter season and monsoon season. Okay. Summer season, winter season, autumn season, spring season and monsoon season. Summer, winter, autumn, spring and monsoon season. Okay. In which season does it rain? कौन से सीजन में बारिश होती है? In which season does it rain? Summer or monsoon? Yes, monsoon. Okay. Now, in which season do the new flower bloom? In which season do the new flowers bloom? Yes, spring season. Spring season. Okay. Now next question. In which season is it very cold? In which season it is very cold? कौन से सीजन में ज़्यादा ठंडी लगती है? Yes, winter season. Types of seasons. Okay, summer season, monsoon season, spring season and winter season. Now let's start first summer season. Each season is almost 3 months long. Let's learn something about it. Okay? Summer season. In summer season, weather is hot and humid. And long days. Okay? In summer season, weather is hot and humid and long days. In summer season, we eat cold drinks, juicy melons, mangoes, ice creams very much. Okay? We eat mangoes, ice cream, cold drinks, juicy melons very much. Okay? And etc. So you feel very hot in summer season. We feel very hot in summer season. Summer season में हमें सबसे ज़्यादा गर्मी लगती है, right? So in summer season we wear cool cotton and loose outfits. In summer season we wear cotton clothes, cool and loose outfits. Okay? And in summer season we activities swimming, water sports, most of the animals come. Activities swimming, water sports, most of the animals come. Now next season is rainy season. Which season? Rainy season. Okay? In rainy season weather is cloudy and humid. Rainy season weather is cloudy and humid in rainy season. We eat light but hot food, hot drinks, avoid unhygienic food. We eat light but hot food, hot drinks and avoid hygienic food in rainy season. Okay? We wear raincoats, umbrellas, rainy shoes and blended cottons. We wear raincoat, rainy shoes, umbrellas and blended cottons. Okay. In rainy season, we activities in indoor games and rain fun. Indoor games and rain fun. To stay fit, eat a good diet and keep mosquitoes away. To stay fit, eat a good diet and keep mosquitoes away. In rainy season, we wear raincoats, rain shoes and umbrellas, and we eat light but hot food, hot drinks, avoid hygienic food. Okay. We see lighting in the sky during rainy season. We see lighting in the sky during rainy season. Now next season is winter season. Which season? Winter season. In winter season, weather is cold and windy. In winter season, weather is cold and windy. Winter season में हमें सबसे ज़्यादा ठंडी लगती है, right? In winter season, we drink hot and spicy and lots of fruits. In winter season, we drink hot soups, tea and hot drinks, and we eat lots of fruits. Okay. In winter season, we wear thick woolen clothes with caps, gloves, etc. In winter season, we wear woolen clothes thick with caps, gloves, etc. Okay. We wear thick woolen clothes with caps, gloves, mufflers and socks, etc. in winter season. Okay. And activities in winter season is indoor games, some outdoor games like ice skating, etc. Activities is indoor games, some outdoor games and like ice skating, etc. in winter season. Animals with thick fur have no problem. Okay. Next season is spring season. Which season? Spring season. In spring season, weather is pleasant. In spring season, weather is pleasant. Okay. In spring season, we eat any seasonal food. In spring season, we eat any seasonal food. Okay. Like hot soup, drinks, hot tea, etc. Okay. We wear cottons are back. We wear cotton clothes are back in spring season. Okay. And we do activities, gardening, outdoor sports, etc. in spring season. We do gardening, outdoor sports, etc. in spring season. Okay. Summer season, rainy season, winter season and spring season. फर्स्ट समर सीजन में हम क्या क्या यूज़ करते हैं? ओके, सनग्लासेस, शॉर्ट्स, स्लीपर्स एंड ड्रेस. ओके, समर सीजन में हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं? सनग्लासेस, शॉर्ट्स, ड्रेस, स्लीपर्स. नाउ रेनी सीजन, मॉनसून सीजन. मॉनसून सीजन में क्या क्या यूज़ होता है? अम्ब्रेला, गमबूट, रेनकोट. अम्ब्रेला, गमबूट एंड रेनकोट. नाउ विंटर सीजन. विंटर सीजन में क्या यूज़ होता है और क्या क्या होता है? कि माउंटेन्स, snow, trees, woolen cap, gloves, scarf, sweater, snowman. Snow, mountains, tree, woolen cap, gloves, scarf, sweater and snowman. Now some questions in seasons. Okay, how do we feel in summer? समर में क्या फील करते हैं? We feel very hot in summer. We feel very hot in summer. Okay, next question. Which clothes do we wear in summer? Which clothes we do wear in summer? समर में कैसे क्लोथ पहनते हैं? We wear cotton clothes in summer. We wear cotton clothes in summer. Next question. What do we like to eat or drink in summer? What do we like to eat or drink in summer? We like to eat ice cream, watermelon and cold drink in summer. We like to eat ice cream, watermelon and cold drink in summer. Now next, rainy season. Okay, we see some questions in rainy season. First, what do we wear in rainy season? What do we wear in rainy season? वे rainy season में क्या पहनते हैं? We wear raincoat and rainy shoes in rainy season. Next question. What do we see in the sky during rainy season? What do we see in the sky during rainy season? Rainy season में sky में हम क्या देखते हैं? Yes, we see lightning in the sky during rainy season. We see lightning in the sky during rainy season. Now next season is winter season. Which season? Winter season. Okay, some questions are seen in winter season. First question. What do we wear in winter season? What do we wear in winter season? We wear woolen clothes in winter. We wear woolen clothes in winter. Next question. What do we like to drink in winter? What do we like to drink in winter? We like to drink hot soup, tea and hot drinks in winter. We like to drink hot soup, tea and hot drinks in winter. So today we learn types of seasons. So keep practice at your home. Thank you.